Ever feel like your layout just refuses to behave no matter what you try? Ever built a website and everything just breaks like this? Nothing stays where you want it. This is Flexbox, a simple way to bring order and structure to your layout. This is your Flex container. It controls how everything inside behaves. These are Flex items. Once inside, they follow the container's rules. By default, Flexbox places items in a row, from left to right. Change the direction to column, and everything stacks vertically. Justify content controls horizontal spacing. Flex start pushes everything to the beginning. Justify content center moves everything right into the middle, clean and balanced. Justify content space between spreads items apart evenly, leaving equal space in the middle. Justify content space around gives each item its own equal breathing space, even at the edges. Align items controls vertical positioning. Flex start pushes everything to the top. Align items center brings everything right into the middle, perfectly balanced. Stretch makes items expand to fill the container, using all available space. Without wrapping, everything stays in one line even if it overflows. With wrap, items move to the next line, keeping everything clean and organized. Gap controls the space between items, simple, clean, and consistent. Flex grow lets an item take up more space while others stay the same. Flex shrink makes items adjust when space gets tight, keeping everything inside. This is how real websites use Flexbox to keep everything clean and responsive. Same elements, but Flexbox turns chaos into clean structure. Just one line and everything falls into a place. Flexbox gives you control over direction, alignment, spacing, and size all in one system. Now you see it clearly. Flexbox is how modern layouts stay flexible, responsive, and perfectly structured.